All right, I done met 3 girls in February already. So boom, today is our first, how do we say, it's mad echoey here. Y'all gonna have to deal. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out, but not today. Oh, she listening. Okay, that's all I have. I'm about to go film a Savage Fenty haul, so you're gonna see this look somewhere else. Maybe I'll add it up in there, but this is my final look. Thank you to Ishow hair once again for keeping me keeping me tip-tap shape, switching up my look on my whole, you know. I must have like 3 to 4 different shorties that my shorties is dating, cause all right, I done met 3 girls in February already. Thanks. Sorry if I got distracted. And I said sorry to myself. Cause damn, I feel like a gold member. No shade. Hey hoochies, so just to recap, this is Ishow's flash sale honey blonde 4x4 lace closure human hair wig. The color is P4/27. It's straight and body wave, but I think I just have the body wave version. I just wanted to let y'all know from me, from my mouth, how soft this hair was. I didn't even have to curl the bottom half. If you saw me in the beginning of the video fully like curl the top half, it's because I was just trying to match the energy of the bottom half. Like I didn't even have to touch it. The frontal or closure hair was just a slightly different curl pattern than the bottom, but that literally has no issue. Look at me. Come on now. Ishow did that. Once again, this is only a 4x4 lace closure, and it's just sitting on me like it's a frontal. It's doing what I gotta do, and it's soft, it's plush, it's bouncy. It was moving with my titties. It was doing what I had to do, but I had to let y'all know before I closed out. Enjoy the video, guys. Till next time.